Yes, good morning. It is our first morning here in Paris, and it is cold. I think we're supposed to have, on paper, the prediction was about 77. Well, we got 61. That's for the next 5-7 hours. However, it is beautiful. You know what it is? You know what it is here that is really distinct, that I'm not used to? It's the crows. Haley, what do you think about the crows? I love the crows. It does give it that creepy, eerie vibe. Kind of like that medieval European vibe. And then also the emergency sirens are completely different than in America. I'm sure you've heard them maybe a couple times in the videos. Anyway, it's foggy. Crows are active, making noises. And this is what it looks like.
Regarde, c'est quoi ton plan?
We're walking the same paths that we were last night, but now it's completely empty. What time is it? It's about, what, 8:05 a.m.? Alright, look at the sign for this metro. Yeah, we need to figure out how to get the tickets now.
Les desserts à tous les gars en direction de Montigny-Beauchamp.
Alors, soit ils vont
Montigny-Beauchamp à terre, la voiture
Oh, here. Up the stairs.
Why?
It says Eiffel Tower.
Another train?
No, the stairs. Or no, just out, I guess.
Yeah, that's it.
And you also have a coffee or a cappuccino?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll take one.
One cappuccino?
Yes.
Big sugar. Thank you. Like, this is what it is?
What?
This is what it is?
Yeah, what'd you think it was?
I don't know.
I'm so excited. Yes, we found it.
Yes, very hard to find.
Now we gotta find a tour. How good is this croissant?
Good.
It is the fluffiest croissant I've ever had. My quads.
Start doing those squats and lunges again.
I've been labeled as weak. I guess my quads are burning already.
Mine aren't even burning. That means
Are they?
That means you're weak.
I'm heavier than
You used to lift more than me.
Yeah, that's anaerobic, not aerobic.
What is the thing that most drinking wine, cheese and bucket? And those things that you see here, they were not here yet at the time.
Get one.
Le hot dog. I won't get over that. Le hot dog.
Already seen, these are real skyscrapers, ladder fonts, okay? So ladder fonts will be over there in this area. But once they build this thing, everybody said, no, this is a joke. You must be kidding. What are you doing? This is obviously ugly.
It's what? It's tall.
Ahorita estamos ahí donde da la señal.
Ey, pero cada año se tiene una fecha de 2 que le cambian. Terror.
Yeah.
A whopping 10 million people. Oh shit.
Ooh, a little windy, huh?
A little chilly.
So after his great battle, Napoleon built the arch in 1805. It's right over there. It's hard to see. Maybe we'll visit it later.
No, this is a different place that was up in Sacré-Cœur that you saw the guy that was like a statue.
He locked him down.
So we tried to buy, well, Haley tried to buy a souvenir, Eiffel Tower, a little small, you have it?
Yeah, I don't want to bring it out though.
A little small one from vendors outside the Eiffel Tower, and all of a sudden they grab all their things and run away and the police start chasing them.
And I'm still holding the Eiffel Tower and I didn't pay anybody.
Yeah. Now we just saw somebody get caught.
Ours, and then he came back and got his zeros, but I paid one less than I was going to.
Wow, there's a whole police squad here, look at this.
I think it's a